Ruth here, Chief Exec at Shelter Cymru. I'm here to talk about our fourth and final manifesto ask, the right to home. We're all united by the need for a strong foundation to live happy, healthy and fulfilled lives. But right now, we have a housing emergency that is devastating people and communities across Wales. With the Senedd elections coming up next May, we need to make homes a number one issue in election campaigns so that it's a number one priority for the next Welsh Government. A right to adequate housing would require any government to plan for the next Senedd term and far beyond, paving the way for long-term sustainable solutions to the housing emergency. It would drive the changes, including the investment we need year on year, so that we can end the housing emergency for this and future generations. Home is more than an asset for some to enjoy. We want to see a suitable home recognised as a universal human right in Wales. We know there's no quick fix. Our housing emergency has been decades in the making. But we can't go on this way. Our next Welsh Government can draw a line in the sand, can commit to the right to home, commit itself and future governments to a relentless drive until we end our housing emergency. Change is possible. We can make it happen. We can vote for home.